divide easily. They can think hyperactive, material, do not exercise self-determination or control over their own action. Self-determined, human decide, means humans decide for themselves what to do. Reason and choice, action are made through reason and choice, not force. Independence, shows that independence and freedom and decision
Consequences of action. Every human action has a result. Consequences may be good or bad. Outcomes depend on the choices a person makes. Responsibility and moral choice. Choose freely because humans choose freely if they are responsible for their actions. It means you decide by yourself. No one forces you to choose. Ang magandang nito ay pinili ni Ana na mag-aral kaysa maglaro. Walang pumilit sa kanya. Access resolved. Human must accept the result of their decision. It means you accept what happens after you choose good or bad. Example is dahil nag-aral siya, nakakuha siya ng mataas na marka, tinanggap niya ang resulta ng kanyang